Welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today we're exploring the vibrant world of Asian fusion cuisine with the delicious Asian salmon with mango salsa. This dish is a perfect example of East meets West. Tender salmon is glazed with a rich, savory blend of XO sauce and soy sauce, then paired with a fresh and colorful mango salsa bursting with sweet, tangy flavors. The combination of umami-rich salmon and bright tropical fruit creates a beautifully balanced dish that's both elegant and incredibly satisfying. Let's have a look at the ingredients. For the salmon and XO glaze, you'll need 2 salmon fillets, about 150 grams each, 1 tablespoon XO sauce. I'm using the Lee Kum Kee brand, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon freshly minced garlic, 1 teaspoon lime juice. For the mango salsa, you'll need 225 grams ripe mango. I'm using pre-cut mango chunks from the grocery store. It's a convenient time saver, and it also helps ensure the mango is perfectly ripe and ready to use. 1/4 of a red bell pepper. I'm showing a whole pepper here, but we'll only be using 1/4 of it. 1/2 a red onion. A small bunch of fresh cilantro. 1 teaspoon lime juice, or to taste. 1/2 a teaspoon fish sauce, which is optional but adds a nice depth of flavor. 1 small red chili, also optional if you'd like a little extra heat. And finally, have some toasted sesame seeds ready for garnish. Let's get started. We begin by dicing the red onion, mango, and bell pepper. This recipe involves a fair bit of chopping, but the vibrant textures and colors in the final dish are well worth the effort. For the cilantro, a rough chop is all you need to release its fresh aroma. And if you like a bit of heat, as I do, go ahead and finely slice 1 Thai chili to give the salsa a nice little kick. Now comes my favorite part, assembling the mango salsa. In a mixing bowl, combine the diced mango, red onion, bell pepper, Thai chili, lime juice, fish sauce, and cilantro. Gently toss everything together until well combined, then set it aside to allow the flavors to meld. Just look at how beautiful this salsa is. The bright yellow mango, vibrant red pepper and chili, purple onion, and fresh green cilantro create a stunning burst of color. It's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Now it's time to prepare the XO glaze. In a small mixing bowl, combine 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon XO sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon freshly minced garlic, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 1 teaspoon lime juice. Whisk everything together until it's well combined and the honey has fully dissolved. Set the glaze aside for now. It's going to add an incredible depth of flavor to our salmon later on. Next, we'll prepare the salmon. Pat the salmon fillets dry with paper towel, then lightly season with salt and white pepper. Heat a nonstick pan over medium heat and add a small amount of oil. Once the pan is hot, place the salmon skin side down and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, allowing the skin to become golden and crispy. Carefully flip the fillets and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked to your preferred doneness. Reduce the heat slightly, then spoon the prepared XO glaze over the salmon. Let the sauce gently bubble and caramelize for about a minute, continuously basting the fillets so they absorb all those rich, savory flavors. The aroma of the XO sauce, ginger, and garlic at this stage is absolutely incredible. And just like that, dinner is served. Plate your salmon over a bed of fluffy jasmine rice and garnish with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for that extra crunch. Spoon a generous amount of that vibrant mango salsa right on top or to the side. And don't forget to drizzle some of that delicious caramelized sauce from the pan right over the top of the salmon. It adds that final hit of umami that ties the whole dish together. Enjoy your Asian salmon with mango salsa, a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and zesty flavors. Thank you for watching Viet Flavours. If you loved this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Vietnamese and Asian fusion dishes. We'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!